Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing, can stress kill you? Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Yes, in short, stress can kill you. Stress can affect you emotionally, physically, and mentally. We all get stressed from time to time, whether it's at work or at school or meeting deadlines or temporary life situations. Short-term stress can overwhelm us and leave us anxious, not being able to sleep, but usually people can overcome this short-term stress. Chronic stress could trigger heart attacks, strokes, and other health ailments. What exactly is chronic stress? Well, chronic stress is when stress is excessive over long periods of time. So instead of the fight and flight response and then diminishing, our stress hormones are repeatedly triggered, causing cortisol to flood our bloodstream and disrupting important bodily functions. It can cause digestive issues, weight gain, heart disease, insomnia, substance abuse, and other mental health issues. To minimize your stress, you can do breathing exercises, forest bathing, exercise, meditation, and/or speak to a therapist. So please try to keep your stress at a minimum. I hope you guys all learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.